Today we will install and set up the Java. So first download the JDK. So let me show you how to download the JDK. Open your Chrome, just click download JDK 8 for Windows. Open it, and using the Oracle site we can see like they had mentioned something like SC download and Java SE 202 development JDK. So select the OS version and click on download. After downloading, open the file location, double click on it. After this, click on next. Choose the location where you want to store the JDK. Click next. So here we had completed the JDK installation. Now let's check. See, it got installed successfully. Okay, let's check from some other directory. cd space d cd no specified path. Okay, cd space dot cd space d colon. Okay, now let's check from C. Okay, it got installed successfully. cd space d colon backslash. Okay, d colon. Now we had just switch it to directory D. Just check it from here. Okay, it got installed and path got set up successfully. So for setting up the path, it's very simple. Go into your C drive and program files or program x86 Java JDK. Copy this path. Open this PC. Right click on it. Properties. Go into advanced system settings, environment variables. Here just look after for path. So here we can see that path. Edit this. Click on edit. So in this edit, click on new and paste this one /bin. Okay, /bin is the right thing. Let's cross verify that. Okay, /bin. Where it went. Okay, click OK, and next set up Java home. Okay, click on new Java underscore home, paste it here, click OK, click OK, OK, close, Open command prompt java-v for checking the version of java space hyphen version. Okay, it was 11.0.16.1. okay, so this is how we install and